Hello, hello. In today's video I'm going to be doing this colorful eyeshadow for hooded eyes look. I'm going to be using the Fade Into Hue palette. This I haven't touched in a minute, but I did use it a few times. I think this is probably one of the best affordable colorful eyeshadow palettes. Yes, this is probably one of the best colorful eyeshadow palettes that you can buy if it's in stock. Off the top of my head, I don't remember how much it costs, but yes, this is probably one of the best ones. I'm not saying it is the best, and I do have a lot more. I haven't gone through my palettes in a while, but yes, so this is what I'm going to be using today. I'm going for, of course, the orangey colors. I'm going to work today, so yes, this will be interesting. Okay, so I'm going to take that first orange up here treasure, barely dipping my brush in. That is for sure. So anyways, I have super duper hooded eyes, so I'm making sure that I put this on with my eye pretty open. That way I can see it, of course, when my eyes are open. So I'm just kind of stamping it out along above my natural crease, I guess. And then I'm going to buff it out a little bit. These little tiny circular motions. And I'm just kind of rounding out that outer V area. Yeah, so anyway, so I'm going to work. I had a lot of time off, like 10 days, I think. Hilarious. Alright, now I'm taking the next color, which I'm using is Art Deco. It's this one in the middle here. Now this is a shade that is a matte shade, but with glitters in it. But I'm not mad at it. I'm not worrying so much about fallout because I'm not doing the rest of my face because I do have to wear a mask at work, and with the newest stuff from the big guys, I don't think that'll stop anytime soon, unfortunately, even though I'm vaccinated, but I do work in transportation, so I understand. Doesn't mean I have to like it. Anyways. So this I'm just taking all over my lid, and this is a super easy hooded eye look as well. I used to think that I couldn't do makeup with hooded eyes, but now I know I can thanks to YouTube. I'm just making sure that I'm blending that out into the first color, the transition color. I'm not bringing it up too high because, again, I'm going to work. I'm just going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to take this color on the bottom. This is Love Plus Warhol. This is also one of those colors that is a matte with glitters in it, but whatever. So I'm just using it on the outer edge. I'm just going to blend it in. It doesn't really, I'm not going to say deepens it because it's not really a deepening color, but it just gives it a little more dimension instead of being super flat. And then I'm going to take this color. This is a pressed glitter. It's so precious. This one right there. I'm going to take it on a flat brush, and I'm going to spray it with my setting spray, which is what I've done for a long time now. This is my Ciate London Everyday Vacay. And I'm just going to start in the inner corner. It's kind of be like a fake cut crease, faux cut crease is the look I'm going for here. I'm just kind of sort of bringing it to the middle. And then just blending it out. And making sure it matches on the other side that I already did. Yeah, I think it does. Cool. Okay, and then just to finish the bottom, I'm going to take a slightly thinner brush. I'm going to take that peachy orange color and just stamp it in the corner. And then the Art Deco color, the orange with glitters in it. And the lightest one, Treasure. I'm putting it in the inner corner here. Okay, now, the only problem with this is you don't really have any inner corner shades. I thought about using Lucky Charm, but instead I went with my Lethal Is Dead, the Theresa Is Dead, and Lethal Cosmetics. And I just used a pencil brush, and I'm taking the Straight to VHS, this yellow shimmer color, and put that in my inner corner. I tried using my highlighter, but the highlighter for my project pan, my potion project pan, I think it's going bad because it is not shimmery like it used to be, and I just don't understand how that works. I don't understand how that works, but I guess at this point it is like definitely 2 years old, so I don't know. Anyways, so let's curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on, and put my mascara on, and then I am gonna be good to go. When I do eyeliner, I typically just kind of push it into my eyelashes because my eyes are so hooded and I have such very, very tiny lid space. If I do any, it's going to be the thinnest line imaginable. Yes, that's the word. There we go. So I'm probably going to switch this mascara out too in my project pan. I'm just not liking, it says it's waterproof, but it's not waterproof. Like, it comes off so easily. Alright, there we go. Okay, so there we go. Yes, we have a super easy look for hooded eyes. Super easy, colorful look for hooded eyes. And again, I use my Fade Into Hue palette from Colourpop. Probably not going to order anything from them in a while. Actually, I'm probably not going to order a whole lot at all. I have so much makeup that I need to go through, but at least I'm giving this a try. So I'm going to take this to work with me, and I'm going to take my Wicked by Unicorn Cosmetics palette to work with me. That way I have some darker shades to also go into. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later. Bye.